Hello everybody and welcome to the very first episode of the Iziko Live Show, where we bring you everything that's current, trending and happening in and around Durban. Well, a little later on the show we've also got career-wise and Iziko out and about, but for now let's get into what's trending. So Statistics SA has recently announced that South Africa's economy has just slipped into a recession. Today we're chatting about what this means for you and I as an ordinary citizen, and in what ways we can chop down on our spending. Well, I guess I'll have to miss the Durban July, simply because I can't afford to buy a new Peruvian weave. I mean, like, hey money guys. Anyways, analysts also say that international investors might abandon South Africa's economy, which means that interest rates will increase and food prices will go up. Ish, guys, no more going to the cafeteria every break, eh? This is our second recession in the space of 8 years, and we were promised by government a 6% growth in our economy, but instead we got hit with a recession. We were also promised 6 million jobs, but instead we got an even higher rate of unemployment than before. I don't know what to think, you decide. So next up on CareerWise, we've got a 24-year-old computer system student who's majoring in app development. He's actually the creator of a Facebook Messenger bot, which allows you to send your location in order to find the nearest police station.
Hi, I'm Pravendra Naik, and I'm a student here at DUT studying electronic engineering in computer systems, and I'm from Newlands West. And during the day, I'm also a software developer, and I study part-time, and I also do a lot of community work. So a few years back, with a friend from the IT department, we won a Vodacom hackathon, where we built an app called In Case of Emergency, where if you were in emergency, you could send up like an instant SOS to like family members, and there was like emergency contact numbers there. That we won, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago, and we won like 12,000 Rand for that between the two of us, and we split it. And then also I've been entering like Microsoft competitions over the years, and I've been winning a few of those. And one of the benefits of those is like I get to travel. They've invited me overseas for that sort of thing. And then Facebook Messenger, I've been building conversational bots for sort of the last 6 months. And this Facebook Messenger bot was sort of after an incident where a guy reversed into my car, and I didn't know where the nearest police station was. And I knew from going to community events like Open Data Durban that this police station data was widely available and like free for anyone to use. So I automated the process. I built a bot where you share your location with it, and it tells you the nearest police station to you. So a bot, in the sense of what I build, it's called a conversational bot. So you chat to it as if you're chatting to a person, but the response is automated. So these sort of bots are useful for like sort of quick remedial tasks. Like say you want to order pizza, like you don't necessarily always have to speak to a person. You can just tell a bot that you want a large margarita pizza, and it should know how to handle that and place the order for you.
So the bot is currently freely available on Facebook Messenger to everyone. And all you have to do to use it is go to Facebook Messenger and search for it, Polly, P-O-L-I. And there it is there. And then all you need to do to get started is send it a message. So you can say police stations nearby, and it understands variations of this phrase, and it initiates the location check. Share your location, and there we go. It found Berea is the nearest police station to us. Then also, if you don't feel like sharing your location with the bot, you can also give it landmark names. So we can say Gateway Mall. There we go, it found the Durban North police station is the nearest to that. And then lastly, if you're in a situation and you can't remember emergency numbers, you can go here, and then here's a list of the National Flying Squad, Emergency Center from your cell phone, and the Ambulance Fire Brigade. Again, you can hit call and it opens up the dial for you.
On Iziko Out and About, we take you to what's hip and happening in Durban. And last week we attended the African Renaissance concert where we had the likes of Nasty C, 99K, and AKA lighting up the stage with amazing performances. But I don't want to say too much. You should rather see it out for yourself.
All my people in the fun. Yeah, this party about to jump. Yeah, this party about to jump. Say, all my people in the pen. All my people in the pen. All my people in the trunk. All my people in the trunk. I wrote a letter to myself, bring the mail through. Since you know the bullshit, that'll scare you. I'm waving at the motion through the web.
On the screen below. I'm your girl, and until next time, let love abound.